Hello guys, welcome, and today we're going to clarify some questions about the iSCSI. Okay, I already configured my target here in this eye, so I'm going to mount this SCSI target on this client, and I will demonstrate that it does not matter the order that you reboot the server or the client and then the server. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let me jump install -y is a iSCSI initiator utils. So reinstall. So I'm going to edit the initiator file. I'm going to put my ACL. I'm going to copy and paste. This is the ACL. Copy. Insert. Paste. Okay. Now, very important. You need to start this service. System start or restart. I'm going to check the status first. -L iSCSI. It's not iSCSI-D. No, it's this one. You hit enter, you see it's not loading. So I'm going to hit start. Start. Starts. Okay, start. Now I'm gonna hit status, and it's right here. It's fine. Okay, now I'm also going to enable this service. But if I check if this is enabled, it's enabled. So we don't need to enable it. So now let's do the man page in order to discover iSCSI AMD. I'm going to the very end. Okay, I'm going to discover, right? It's the line, paste. I'm going to change only the IP address, 73, enter. This is the target. Okay, now I'm going to login. This is the point. You don't need to log out in order to reboot, because on the exam you need to leave this unattended. That means that you need to mount the target without assistance. So they don't want to ask you, okay, go back and log in and then mount. No, this is not the work. Okay, so I'm going to copy, paste. I'm going to log in. You see, now you can check the attachment. Let me create a directory for the partitioning and everything. iSCSI. You see the drive here, right? I'm going to the fdisk dev SDC. I'm going to create a new partition with 500 meg. Okay, print. Okay, here we go. Prof-s. I'm doing this very quick. I'm going to create a directory. Gonna see data -iSCSI. Okay, going to make file system first on dev SDC1. I'm going to say block ID. I'm going to grep for SDC1. I'm going to redirect to CFSTAB. I'm going to edit my FSTAB, and now I'm going to here. I'm going to I mount on data iSCSI. This is this file system and the options netdev. This is very important, and this is one thing that we do in the same way. The dev netdev. Okay, going to mount -A, and now I have the file system. right? I'm going to touch some files. We're gonna see file from 1 to 50. I'm going to elect some data. There you go, the files. So now I'm going to show you how if I reboot the server. Okay, this is the one way you can verify iSCSI. Oh, say -m session -p3. You can see here the attach, right? Okay, I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna grep for attach. There you go, it's working. And now I'm going to do the /d, and I show you the difference. So here on this is the server, okay? This is the server, okay? See, this is the server. I'm going to bounce the server. It's gonna be system reboot. You see the server is rebooting now. So you see right away, you see the state is blocked. So that means that the system is preventing any data loss on the system. So now we're gonna take a few moments to reboot, and we will see the state on this drive change when the system completely boot. Just wait a few seconds. I don't going to force the reboot, but you can do it. So it's taking too much time. I'm going to force reset. There you go. I'm going to hit enter. Okay. We're waiting now for the boot. I'm going to hit escape to see the boot. Okay, well, the thing that we're going to see is this, the state. You see, it's running. It's changed after the system boot completely. Okay, now if I go Control C and I check df-h, here we go. You see, you need to bounce one first and then the other one. Okay, this is the reason. So now let me bounce this one, systemctl reboot. Okay, now it's rebooting. I'm going to open the console for the client. See here, it's rebooting. Nice. Maybe this take a few moments. So in that case, I'm going to force the reboot. Force, enter. And then I'm going to hit escape in order to see all the processes that are running. Okay, going to hit one moment, escape. Now you will see, okay, network, you see the open iSCSI, it's already there, come on. Okay, now I can SSH on the system again, type my password, or the there you go. Okay, much better. Now if I go to the data, you can see the data is there. So and also iSCSI is there, and also the iSCSI admin-m session-p3 is there. So that's demonstrate that you don't need to log out and then mount. No. You can reboot the server and the client anytime if you do the configuration well. Okay, thank you for watching and hope that you understand this and subscribe to my channel.